everyone. How are you? Yes, very good. So today, our topic is parts of body. Okay then. So I am going to teach you about parts of body. Turn to the board. Turn to the board. Turn to the board. Hello. We have many. We have many body parts. We have many body parts. Well, hello. Don't. So we have many body parts. Some of them are sound on the board. Some of them. So hello. Some of them are sound on the board. So which body part is this? Which body part is this? Which body part is this? Yes, eye. Which body part is this? Eye. Eye. And which body part is this? Which body part is this? Look at me. Both of you. Look at me. Which body part is this? Which body part is this? Nose. Yes, very good. Nose. Yes, very good. And which body part is this? Which body part is this? Yes. Which body part is this? Ear. Yes, very good. Ear. Yes. Which body part is this? Yes. And which body part is this? Hello. Both of you. Ayush. Which body part is this? Leg. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Leg. And which body part is this? Hand. Yes, very good. So which body part is this? Hand. So hand. So very good. So these are body parts, na? These are some body parts. Also, hello. Don't do. Why are you doing like that? Why are you pulling it? Why are you pulling? Why are you pulling the body stand? It may be fell down on you. At you. Then you will start crying. So do you want to cry? Hello. Do you want to cry? No. Then don't pull it. Don't pull it. It will fall down at you. No. Look at here. Look there. So I will ask you some question. So they have different. Lego, No, don't do like that. So no, Ankush. I will ask you question. Hey, I will ask you question. You have to answer me one. So fast. So Ankush, na? So what do you do with what do you do with your eyes? What to do with your eyes? Ankush, what to do with Ankush? You have to speak little loudly. What do you do with your eye? Eyes? I see. I see with my eye. I see with my eyes. Yeah. No, next Sujata. Okay then. So Sujata, what do you do with your nose? What to do with your nose? Sujata? No, you have to answer. What to do with your nose? I smell.
I smell with my nose.
Yes, speak little loud.
I smell with my nose.
Yes, I smell. Yes, with my nose. Okay then. No. So Prita, it is your turn. So Prita, 3 number. What do you do with your ear? Ear. What to do with your ear? आप अपने कान से क्या करते हो? I hear. Yes, I hear with my ear. I hear with my ear. Yes, I hear with my ear. I hear with my ear. With my ear. मैं क्या करता हूँ? मैं अपने कान से सुनता हूँ. No, come this side. Don't go there, both of you. You are doing too much, both of you. Come here and stand here. No, turn this side. Turn this side. No, you did very good. So clapping, everybody clapping, clapping,
Bye.
clapping. And say bye bye, bye bye.
Bye. Bye.